Using MortgageBrain Classic's multiple tab function allows you to carry out research for your client, applying different filters to different searches, and save all of those searches to the client file to reload at a later date. So what that means is that if you're carrying out some research for your client today, so different scenarios, it may be a fixed rate versus a tracker rate, it may be differences in the deposit that they can afford to put down. You can source on all of the criteria using the multiple tab function. And once you're finished with your research, you can save that information against the client file. And then when you revisit the client at a later stage, you can rebuild all of that information automatically by using the reload button available on the Start tab. So I've reloaded my previous client into the system here, and if I click on my sourcing button now, on my Start tab, what you'll notice is a reload button. And the reload button tells me when my last saved search was for the client. And it allows me to reload all of the tabs that I created previously for that client without having to remember which filters I applied to which tab. And you can see the system starts to build those tabs. So there were 3 tabs initially for the source that I carried out. And once they're all built, it takes me straight into my scheme list. And here are my 3 sources with current day data. But all of my filters are still there and applied. And if I use my 4-box icon, I can see here, this was my first source which had all my rate types. My second source only looked at fixed, and my third source only looked at tracker products. And I can carry on where I left off now.